If you've been in a car accident, your insurance estimate is almost always missing something, sometimes hundreds, sometimes thousands. We help you understand your estimate, spot missing damage, and protect yourself from getting underpaid. We review your insurance estimate line by line and explain what the adjuster may have missed. This channel is for anyone dealing with an accident or claim, whether you just got hit, you're already in the process, or the insurance company sent you a number that doesn't feel right. You'll find simple, honest videos that expose insurance tactics, show you what to do after a wreck, and help you understand your estimate even if you've never dealt with a claim before. So if you want clarity, not confusion, start with our playlist called Just Had an Accident. And if you already have your estimate, upload it at EstiVerify.com and we'll help you understand exactly what you're owed. I'm here to help you get treated fairly after an accident. Hit subscribe so you don't miss anything.